Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Denoyer, and today's date is 22 August 2020. So, this is my initial recording for anatomy at UNE. I'm taking this class as a prerequisite for physician assistant school. I'm in the process of applying right now. I've applied to 10 different schools. I have an interview in October at Emory, and I'm still waiting to hear back from the rest of the schools. It's kind of a long, drawn out process, frustrating, and learned a lot through it. So, if you guys have any questions or anything, please let me know, and I'll try to help best I can. Let's see a little bit more about myself. I guess I did 20 years in the Navy. I'll retire next year. Trying to line up the date with when I would start PA school. Currently reside in Wilmington, North Carolina. If you're unfamiliar with the area, that's the place in North Carolina where all the hurricanes typically make landfall. Nice little beach community. I don't think it's my forever home, but I've enjoyed this place for the last 10 years. So look forward to to getting this course knocked out and moving on.